Hi everyone, it's your fellow classmate Mark Zeiler. I had someone ask me how to share the digital survey that we're supposed to create for each other for the Module 2 assignment. So I figured I'd make a quick screencast just in case anyone else was struggling with the same problem. Obviously there are a lot of different websites you can use to create your digital survey. The one that I used was Google. I used Google Forms. And I can also show you how to do the SurveyMonkey, but ultimately what we're looking for is a URL link to share with each other. So to do the survey through Google Drive, you get signed into your Google Drive, you click on New, and what you're looking for is Google Forms. That's where we're going to create the survey. So once we click on Google Forms, we actually name our survey, and then we create our survey questions. Okay, and let's assume that we finished a survey here and we're just looking for a link to share. One way to do that is just to click on the Send button. We're going to click on what looks like the paperclip, and there's the link to share. So one way to do it is just to click on Copy, or you can double-click on the URL and then click on at the same time Control and C. So Control C will copy that so you can paste it into a web browser. To shorten that, if you'd like, there are URL shorteners. One example is tinyurl.com. So you would paste that link into the first box, so Control V would paste it, and then you would come up with the name. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, and if that's available, then it'll let you do it. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on Control C again to copy this URL, and if I open up a web browser and paste it, that should take us to the survey. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to go through SurveyMonkey. So I already created a real simple survey through SurveyMonkey. So if I click on that survey, I'm just going to assume that you've already created one. So once you've created your survey, you're going to click on Next. And again, what we're looking for is a URL. So click on Get Web Link. And that is the link that you want to share with your classmates. Again, you can click on Control C. And if you would like to shorten it, again, you could go through a URL shortening website, paste it in, and then name it what you want. Okay, and that would be the link to share with the class. Control C, and then Control V, and then there is the survey. All right, everyone, hope that helped.